Ladies and gentlemen, hello my dear friends. This is Sunshine from Xingyi. So today we will show you the remote control 820RC on the job site to see the metal pads, how is the machine working on the grinding floors. Actually, from the Monday to the Tuesdays, we passed the 4 days. You already see our machines, the details, our partner, our colleagues, Mr. Carey, Mr. Evelyn, and Simon, Helen, Jen, and Bonnie show you the details of the machines, show you how the machine the working. Like yesterday, Helen show you how to operate the machines. So today we will at the job site to see how the machine works here. And afternoon we will show you the polishing with the resin pads. So now let's go. Okay, we already connect with the electronic power. So Mr. Carey will show you how to put down the machines, then move to the right side. So this is the orange surface of the concrete floors. Now we need to connect the vacuum hose.没开什么车，我这是它的吸尘器呢？不行，好，你帮我拿着。
我们研磨它像是这样子的是吗？
等一下，你跟着我，我要介绍一下它的接线，工地上那个电箱，来介绍一下。
可以稍微站后面一点。
等会的话呢，就是我说公司当中的接线的话是很重要，
不要一直人吵，
然后放到那边去，然后你就把跟着我，
不要一直人吵。
可以。
明明一开始。
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today we will be working our remote control 820RC and vacuum cleaner. Now we are in the project side. Follow with me when you move the machine in the project side and what's the cable and how to connect it with the electric. Please follow me. 只是介绍别的。对着这个。Usually we will choose the electric box, and this is input from the electric, and then we will use the transfer box, electric box, for the vacuum, and another cable is for remote control floor grinder. So it's very convenient in your project. Follow me. 跟着我来。The second check the diamond juice. Okay. Our gearbox designed by planetary gearbox. The gearbox is very precision and durability. Look like your Rolex watch. 好 ，OK， 我们上。Now we will start grinding 30 grits. Okay, let's have a check the original floor conditions. This is the original floor, and the concrete grade is C30. 看我们地面啊，对。Then connect with the dust cover. Okay. Okay, let's have a look. You see the big island. You can put in the middle, and also you can put the back. If put the back, you can tie down the machine. If you want to tie down the machines, this position is for the tie down the machines. If you want to add the grinding pressure, you can put the additional weight in the front.
Because today we have some new friends join our lifelong. So before the grinding, we hope can introduce you the machines first. Okay, so you can see the machines this is adjustable handles with the 330 grades. Sorry, I'm not tall enough. Okay, so with this 360 degrees, you can adjust the handles. And with this is adjust the handles. You can have the different positions. This position is for layer positions. That's for your workings. And for the back, it is the working positions. You know, some persons. When people working, they will make the adjust handles on the working positions. Yes, so this position is the working positions. Here, the operator can adjust the handles, which is comfortable. And also here, you can see the different switch. This is USB port, this is emergency stop, and this is the change the running of the disk. Here is the speed. Come here. Here is the 7-inch color displays. You can see the different informations on the displays, different dates. For example, like the RPM, the working speed, and the total working time. Right? Yes. Also, if the machine have some error code, it will show the displays too. And here we also will put our menu. So you no need to have the paper manuals, and you know that it's easy to lost, right? So you have the e-menus. You can check anytime you want. Okay, so after here you can see our tank. This is the tank. You have the 20 liters, so you can do the white and dry grinding both, just what you like. And the adjustable here. You can see the weight, additional weight. For the additional weight, we also have the 3 positions. Here, you can increase the pressures when you're grinding the floors. And okay. These positions is easy for transpolations. And another back. So these positions you can easy to taking down the machines to change and replace the toolings. Also we have PM motors. Some people will say why we need these PM motors because this motor you have the higher it can with the more friendly of the environments, also safer engines. And this is the 25 horsepower. 25 horsepower. So it's very strong when you do the grinding jobs. And the gearbox. Here you can see we call it angel eyes. So it's like the angels, two eyes. This is the LED light. We have the front and the back. We have two positions of the LED light. So for the LED light, normally you can check the front situations if the light is not enough. And sometimes we can work the work site. The light is not very good. You also can use it to check the front. So here is the mist spell. You can spell the water on the floors. Actually, it's not used for wet grindings because it just spill the water on the floor. Why we need these functions? Because you know, when we grinding on the floors, sometimes it has a little dust, so you can spill the waters on the floor. Sometimes the floor is very hard. Maybe it's not very good to cut, so you can spill waters on the floor to make the floor a little soft. So with these functions, you can have more choice. And here is the gearbox. With the gearbox is a apparently gearbox and rotating. We have the 4 discs and 3 discs for your choice. And this is the dash skirt. For the dash skirt, we have the 2 types, the floating dash skirt and adjustable dash skirt. So when you change the toolings, you no need like the traditional dash skirt, you no need to remove, then we tight against. Okay, also for these machines we have 2 functions. One is the remote controls. We use the remote controllers. Another we can to push the machines like the traditional type push behind. So with these 2 functions, you also can choose what you like during the working sites. Okay, now we are connect the electronic, and today we will grinding this area. Grinding this area. For the metal pads, 60 grades. And afternoon we will do the resin pads to finish the polishing.再换一个人上，再继续介绍一遍。
对，每个人介绍一遍。
没事啊。
Yes, hello everyone guys. I'm Simon again. Yes, so now I will introduce this machine. Yes, my friends. Now I will introduce this ATS anniversary model again. So first, there are several differences from our previous remote control machines. First, we can see this the outlooking. Do you like this design? It's very industrial outlooking. It's very strong. So for this machine, it's again heavy duty plus remote control plus all the small thinkings. This we have used all our advanced technology based on our HTG series machines. Okay, so first is the gearbox. The gearbox is one of the most important part of a machine. Our gearbox is very solid. So here, this is a cover, and we can ask my colleague to tear up the machine to see the gearbox bottom. Yes, please. Fine. Yes, please take a close look. This the gearbox. Now here are some dust touched on it, but we can see the gearbox body. There is almost no extra holes. We only have one hole. This is for discharging the old gear oil, and the whole gearbox body is very sealed, so it's very precise. Now we cannot open the gearbox for you. We can see the gears inside. Our gears are a little different from the other manufacturers. We use the floor metal and floor material, and our gears are hung by stable temperature sensing machines. So the gears are more precise, and the gears are climbed gears. It's a little different from the other gears in the market. This can offer precise and longer precise transmission and a longer lifespan. And the second is a magnetic disc. We can say the disc is 278 millimeter, and our multifunctional disc. We can use different kinds of tools. This is our standard tool, 2-3 holes type, and we can also use Husqvarna, HTC, also bush hammer, and we have another 278 resin Velcro adapter, so we can attach different resin pads on it. We can use 3 inches, 4 inches, or 278 millimeter types resin pads. And we can look the 4 heads planetary. Why we need the planetary? Planetary can offer more uniform grinding and polishing effects. And the 4 heads, 4 discs, this can offer, because every 2 near-in discs, the directions are different. So the force will go inside of the bottom. So when we grinding, there is almost no torque force. This is compared with the 3 heads planetary. The traditional planetary, when we have to hold the grinder, so after 1 day's work, the operator will be very tight. So there's the advantage of the 4 heads planetary. And please take a close look of our damping device. We use the flange plus solid damping rubber, and this can absorb the most vibration during walking. Okay, then the next is yes, as you know, for the heavy duty machines, the structure is very important. We can look our frame, the thickness. The thickness is up to 10 millimeters. So this is very stronger. So we can here, it's more than 20 millimeter. The thickness is very solid. And another difference is our motor. We use paramagnetic motor. Why we need this kind of motor, not the same as our previous WG or other brand 3-phase motors? This motor, we have the advantage, is more environment friendly and more precise. When we give an instruction to it, such as lower the speed or stop, the motor will get the instruction quickly and almost no delay. And here we can this is the two blue eyes for the grinder. Yes, so we can grinding during night easily and check the floor conditions or make the we have different models. So we can have a flash is something like an alarm, so the people around can see the machine and avoid other cases. And this is a spare system. For our machine, we offer two kinds of wet grinding. First is the spray system, and the second is water will go out from the disc. The spray system, in the most cases, is more helpful than pouring water on the floor directly, and the water will comes from out the disc too. So this can cool the disc and reduce the dust around the environment. Then, okay. Okay, then our engineer, Mr. Tony, will help us to operate the machine, and let's see the real working of the grinder. Now this grinder is in hot sale. It's very popular, and we have prepared many benefits for you guys. Let's go. So let's see the real working performance. Okay, thank you. 开始。
OK， 那可以。
你要带？
不用，你讲解就可以了。
现在开始研磨啊。怎么关掉？
我不太会。
这下有声音了吗？有没有声音啊？有没有？有了哈。Здравствуйте, дорогие друзья! Это Катя из компании Polish Machine. И сегодня мы отправили нашего нового друга HTG 820 RC в строительную площадку. И сегодня мы будем шлифовать эту машину в полевых условиях. И сейчас наш технический инженер Тони работает на этой машине, и чтобы помогать вам лучше понимать эту машину. И эта машина с
чистовольным управлением и эта машина сочетает в себе всех функций наших самых двух передовых машин RPG 800 и HTG 804 и на следующей неделе я дам объявление этой машины на русском языке и с нетерпением жду вашего просмотра. И потом мы будем начинаться с присадом металлическом абразиве. И вы можете посмотреть эффект этой машины. Спасибо. Пойдем.
要关掉吗？是的。
Ladies and gentlemen, hello friends. Morning. Wish you have a nice Friday. Today is our day 5 live stream. We will have a grinding demo on the project side with our remote control floor grinder 820 RC and the dust collector 45L. All functions will be shown to you today. If you can hear me clearly, please type SMART on the screen. Thank you for your cooperation. Good morning, Adam. Thank you, Adam. Adam, later we will have operating one button make U10 and memory grinding. Thank you.
讲一讲，不然会很暂停。
像在捉影。
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your come to our live room. Today we will be show our 820 RC remote control and vacuum cleaner in our project side. If you are interested in floor grinding system, please follow us. Thank you for your cooperation. Now we will be start grinding soon. Camera. Tony. Okay, the machine is start.
还有一个话筒呢，你要讲吗？这还要多少人吗
？Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your joining our live room. We have one customer from Taiwan. He wants to use Chinese speaking. 你好，白总。今天我们演示的是我们8周年纪念款820 RC。那现在的话呢，我们正在一个大约在3000平方米的一个工地上进行实操演示。那今天的话，我们会有很多的功能都会今天展示，比如说一键转弯、记忆研磨，还有它的一个机器的一个研磨效率。Hello, Adam. Okay, we will be show you within 30 minutes. Tony, later please use one button make U-turn.
Okay.
Hello, my dear friends. Now we use the metal pass 30 grades, so you can see the surface, just the one pass. this is the drawing. So this is orange. And here, one pass, almost the pass, and it's smooth.
Ladies and gentlemen, now is memory grinding. Now is without the human adjust. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Now we need to use the one button make return. 那你按一下。Okay. This is 10. 10 left. If you found a little bit Hello, ladies and gentlemen. If you found after one button return is a little bit not straight, so you have to a bit adjust. A little bit adjust.
不要按呢。
grinding, spring grinding.
这小摆动的别那么快。
One button make you 10. Now go ahead, go straight.这次帮我拿下，我看下这客人给我发了一个。
Hello, my friends. Some customers will ask why we need remote control because remote control actually you need investment large monies, so they have the limited budgets. But why we need remote controls? Because the remote control means people, the operators, will not affected by the vibrations of the machines, and also when they grinding the machines, they can check the flow situations. They can handle the cables. They can handle the cables, and also they can check the vacuum cleaner. So now Mr. Carey, he operates the remote controls. Now he need to check the vacuum cleaner. So he can the vacuum. Okay, now you see the machine is grinding, and now the operator, Mr. Carey, he can move the vacuum cleaner. So you no need two persons to do the different jobs. This floor is C30 to C35. The most handiness is about 6 to 7. And today we use the special metal pads. This is for very hard floors. So if customers, you have a very hard floor like the C30, C40 floors, and the hardness is about 6 or 7, you can use this special metal pads from us.
帮忙，帮忙，帮忙，要帮忙，
来，去帮忙，去帮忙。
Hello, my dear friends. Now we need to stop because normally when you're grinding the floors, we need to check the metal pads. So now we need to check how is the consumers of the pads.
Now, Mr. Carey cut down the machine and take the diamond tool. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Now we check the diamond tools. Okay, not very hot. If you want to change the diamonds, and we have a special design here. You just use the screw and take it up. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is our remote control panel, and this is you can see the RPM. Not only the machine, you can see the RPM, and also in the control, in the remote control panel, also you can see it. And this is working RPM, and this is total working time, and this is the working meter per minute. And this is some display, and also this we can do ODM design once you open. Okay, this is motor speed, and this is coding system for the mist code, and this is motor positive and reversal you can adjust, and this is working speed, so you can adjust the working speed. This is swing grinding. You can adjust the swing the degree. You can adjust here. And when you manually grinding, this need to adjust the speed adjust. And this is direction panel, control panel. This is one button make you turn 10 right and 10 left here. 10 left here. This is LED light switch. You see?
万元了。
Okay. And you can see the panel, the screen. You can see the right where, left where. So the worker, you can see the machine working that here. And in your work job, you only need one guy's experienced worker, and can control a lot of machines at the same time. Yes.
它会闪。再关一下。
Okay. This is LED light here. the light you can
两个呢，它会切。
you can check the LED light have the front light double
在这里，它可以有很多种功能模式，用一下它就那个。
and also have different functions. This keep the people attention it. This normal LED light. Not only the front double, but also we have a light in the bike. So it's convenient for you check the floor condition after landing. Here. Now this machine is position for the change the diamond tools. Okay, now we
转盘可以让它转一下，我想录一个10秒钟的小时。
OK. 手动吗？
就让它转。
Some of our customer request want to see the machine operating. Okay, this our blender gear driven. This is planetary gear systems. So you see, those working will be like this.
电动的。
Okay. Okay, let me introduction our project side here. In this afternoon, we will be have a. Now we will be working by human push. So this machine not only can remote control, but also it can working by manual. Manual push. If you working by manual push, so you will be not relax your hand, and you also need one guy check the floor condition, and also need one guy take care of the cables and the vacuum hose. In my experience, I like remote control because it can relax my hand, and also I no need another support me.
离合销，周总。
If you want to change the manual push, the wheel have the sketch. You have to put. Okay, this is manual push. If you put down here, it's remote control. Another side. 嗯。Now, okay, now it's manual push, hand push, working way. If you hand push, also you can see the working data in the 7-inch screen here. Mr. Kelly, later I want to try by hand push. 你有
知道怎么动它吧？永远最好不要这个换。
啥？
吸尘器永远在那一头，
最好的房管。
那就是到了那里之后这样子转，转。
哦，这样。
回来放好下去吧，下去这条线。回来一下。那有点生意和那个，要不然会穿痒的。我那个，你把这个电脑放进去。王哥，把电脑那头移，电线和那个什么事啊？把电线和那个管子往那头。
你要来吗？OK。
往那个方向，一直往那个方向走。
好，我知道。好。啊。
这么早啊，十字交叉。
是
交叉。刚才磨的地。
十交叉怎么弄？你是往前推吗？
十字交叉，你要跟这个刚才磨的这个轨道交叉。
啊！完蛋！对不起。他怎么磨？OK。Hello, ladies and gentlemen. If you use the hand push, for me also now it's very easy.
马又退下来了。
我的四周就是。
你指挥这么懂吗？
你等一下，你看着我啊。
压个10公分20公分过来，你到时候整个地板全都磨烂了。
好。OK。From on the start it's easy, but after you're walking about 10 minutes, 20 minutes, if female, I think it's for office female, it's a little bit hard. OK 吗？From start is easy, but after walking one day, I think I cannot go daytime, nighttime. Cannot enjoy the night. Maybe after one day, you need more coffee. This is for hand push. I have no time for test the floor condition. OK， 现在试一下。Oh, it's tired. I like a remote control much.
So you like a remote control?
看一下。
按一下的时候。
对，第三优势也会很大。但是在多少虽然费点劲，但是它也可以。 午可以啊。
OK，那我们早上就到这里了。
不过可以吗？这边人少，
那就可以不用结束。
OK。
这个可以。
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So this morning
做了个方子是吧？
we will stop here. See you afternoon.
看看我。走吧。
走吧，我们去吃饭。
啊，公关大使，没时间。
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your follow us. This morning demo in the working seat is finished, but in this afternoon, about 1 hour later, we will be have a polishing concrete in another side. Please follow me the camera. Oh, 可以。 If you want to know more, please follow us. See you later. Goodbye.